Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode of How Do You Rotate? And as you all might notice, I actually got a new mic recently, and I'm really happy with this mic. And you guys aren't going to believe this, but a fan of the show actually sent it into my PO box. This brand new mic, and I'm super thankful for them. Let me get their name here. Yeah, thank you, Bosanska Vijestica. Um, okay, never mind. But yeah, I'm really happy to have gotten my new mic, and thank you guys so much. I'm really grateful that somebody was willing to send over a mic. Anyways, um, today, let's get down to business, and let's show you guys how to rotate Hasbulla. Now, uh, MS Paint is a bit wonky with uh, images of weird proportions like this one. It's a little tall, and as you can see, when you rotate the image, it gets cut off a little bit there. So, can't do that. So in MS Paint, in its clunky gloriness, you kind of gotta just do it in two pieces here. And even now, the images don't line up perfectly, but that's what you get for using MS Paint. It's clunky, it's weird, but yeah, that's how to rotate Hasbulla. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.
It's fucking talking.